There has been a disturbing rise in the number of young black males reported missing in Ontario between October and December of this year. This alarming trend has sparked deep concern among many advocates and community members who are calling for immediate action and increased awareness. There is Kimani Langley, 16 years old, last seen on October 21st in Brampton, Ontario. Then there's Michael. His last name was not revealed, but he's 15 years old, and it was published on November 12th that he was last seen in Whitby, Ontario. There's Aiden, 15 years old, last seen on November 7th in Ajax, Ontario. Then there's Trishawn, also 15 years old, last seen on November 17 in Toronto, Ontario. Then there's Malachi, 15 years old, last seen on December 1st in Toronto, Ontario. And there's also Al Pacino Migna, 26 years old, a rugby player who came from Jamaica to take part in a rugby sporting event in Brampton. He was last seen on October 19th in Niagara-on-the-Lake. Where are these boys, my people, and this young man? Why are so many disappearing in such a short period of time? The majority of those missing are just 15 to 16 years old, and their families are enduring pain and uncertainty during this Christmas period. We must come together as a community. I'm asking you, please share this message widely and help to spread awareness. And if you see or hear anything, contact your local police immediately. You and I know that it takes a village to raise our children. Let's remain vigilant, but also educate our children about the dangers of the world we live in. And we must work to ensure safety. Together, my people, I know that we can make a difference. And unlike before, things and times have changed.